In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up a Canva video. This skill is incredibly useful, especially if you're looking to trim down your video length or match the pacing to complement background audio or narrative flow. It's not only a time-saving tool, but one that adds a professional touch to your edits. Let's dive right in and explore the steps needed to make this adjustment. First, you want to ensure you have your Canva project open and your video clip ready to edit. Navigate to the design screen where your video is located. Using your mouse or trackpad, click on the video clip you wish to adjust. This is an essential first step because selecting the video opens up the relevant editing options you'll need. Once your video is selected, you'll notice a series of icons and options appear on the top toolbar. Among these options is a speed icon, usually depicted by a small stopwatch or something similar that represents time adjustment. Click on this speed icon. This action will open up the video speed settings, providing you with a simple but effective tool for video speed adjustments. Within the speed settings, you'll see a slider, which is your main tool for the task at hand. If you want to speed up the video, simply drag this slider to the right. As you move the slider, you'll probably notice numbers or indicators changing, showing the different speed options you can choose from. Typically, moving the slider to the right increases the playback speed, effectively making your video shorter in length. This feature is great because it gives you real-time feedback on how fast the video will play. A helpful tip here is to preview the video at different speeds by playing it back after each adjustment. This allows you to find just the right tempo, ensuring the final product is smooth and meets your expectations. Sometimes speeding up a video too much can lead to choppy visuals, so it's worth previewing it a couple of times until it feels just right. If you find that you need a specific speed, keep an eye out for numeric indicators. These are especially helpful in ensuring you've reached the desired video speed. Experiment with different settings, moving the slider gradually to adjust the video to your liking. Once you're satisfied with the speed, make sure you save your changes to preserve the adjustments. So, there you have it, a quick and efficient way to alter your video's speed using Canva. With these simple steps, you can fine-tune your projects, making them more dynamic and aligned with your creative vision. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you enhance your video editing skills on Canva. Until next time, happy editing!